Everybody wants their essay to be a masterpiece that will open the door to their dream university, right? Well, in this video, we'll be diving deep into the college application essay do's and don'ts. So take notes because you won't want to miss a thing. Hi, I'm Carolyn and I'm here to help you with the college application process. So let's start with the essay do's. Tell a really great story. Your essay should reflect your genuine personality, experiences, and perspectives. Engage the reader. Discuss how you've evolved or learned from challenges and experiences. Admission officers are looking for students who are active learners and who can reflect on their personal development. Keep your essay clear and concise. Make sure every sentence has a purpose. Use descriptive language and vivid details to make your story come alive, but don't overdo it. Share a specific experience, challenge, or achievement that has shaped your character and growth. Make sure the reader will clearly be able to identify the personal changes you made and what you learned as a result. Demonstrate those changes through anecdotes and examples. Let the reader draw conclusions about your attributes based on your experiences. Proofread your essay multiple times for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. Consider seeking feedback from teachers, peers, or mentors to improve your content and structure. Okay, let's take a look at the essay don'ts. Don't use these dreaded common phrases. Here are some examples. In terms of, needless to say, in conclusion, it goes without saying. You wouldn't use these phrases if you were telling a story to a friend, so don't use them in your essay. Don't just regurgitate your resume. If the reader can find that information elsewhere in your application, don't put it in your essay. Don't write about a sports injury. It's too common. Lots of students are in sports and lots of students get injured. The point of the essay is to stand out. You don't want the reader to be nodding off after the first paragraph. Don't write about a mission trip. This is also a common theme. Dig deeper and find an experience that was unique and impactful to you. It could be something simple that changed how you live your life. Don't procrastinate. Good essays take time to develop. The proofreading process shouldn't be rushed. Start early so you have time to step away from your work and then revisit it with fresh eyes. The one thing you don't want to do is rush through your essay, turn it in, and then wish you had taken more time to perfect it. If you found this information helpful, hit those like and subscribe buttons and also hit the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Hopefully you've had a chance to watch all the videos in my playlist called The Ultimate College Application Toolbox. In that collection of videos, I share what you should be doing the summer before your senior year, or how to prepare for the SAT in 1 month, how to get an amazing letter of recommendation, what to do on your college visit, get ready to make your college list, and then of course this video, your ultimate guide, the college application essay do's and don'ts. Maybe you're someone who needs just a little more help with your college application essay. I do offer a paid course called Essay Express. I'll put the link below. It's a quick and easy course that walks you through everything you need to know to write a killer college application essay. You're gonna love it. Check it out. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. And remember, I'm always cheering for you.